first thing, it's which of the following is correct. Which of the following is correct? So you're giving two statements, and you need to understand which one is correct. Control risk is not part of the overall audit risk, although it's assessed by the auditor. Well, is this statement correct? Is control risk part of the audit risk model? And the answer is yes. So the answer here, it says is not, is incorrect. It is part of the overall risk model. Therefore, immediately you could take out 1 and you could take out C, because A and C, which A and C, not 1, A and C, they have only 1, so you could take both out. So all you have to find out now is if statement true is correct. Now, what is control risk? So you need to know, what is a control risk? Control risk is the risk of a material misstatement that you find in the financial statements arising because their control is not working properly. Okay, so organization, generally speaking, they should have a good internal control to prevent material fraud and errors. Okay, and what do auditors do? Auditors assess that control risk, assess it whether it's high, medium, or low. So remember, it is assessed. That part of the statement is correct, but they're saying it's not part of the control risk. So it can be assessed as high, means they have a high control risk, high, medium, or low. High means their control is not good, basically. Their controls are not good. We can assess it. There's nothing we can do about it. Remember, we only assess the control risk to help us plan the audit. Now, so we know 1 is wrong. Let's look at 2. Detection risk is part of the audit risk, and the answer is yes, but it's not assessed by the auditor. That is correct. That is correct. It's not assessed. It's set. The auditor set the deduction risk, and this is very important. They deduct it at 5%, 10%, 2%, whatever they want to set it at. So the higher is the more chances they are taking. 5% means we want to be 95% accurate. If we set it at 10%, it means we are willing to take 90% chance, that we did not miss anything. If we set it at 0%, it means we're taking no chances. We are going to audit everything. So is detection risk part of the audit risk? Yes, but it's not assessed. That's right. It's set by the auditor, not assessed. Control risk is assessed. And remember, maybe you remember this, maybe not, the audit risk model. The formula for that, again, I cover this way in details on my website. It's inherent risk, which we're going to talk about the inherent risk in this session, because it's all these questions I'm going to be working today is part of the control risk times detection risk. So here we talked about detection risk and we talked about the control risk. We did not look at the inherent risk. Those three together, set together, when you multiply them, they'll give you the audit risk. And this is what I explain in details on my website. So simply put, the answer is B, which is 2 only.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.